What's going on, guys? It is a beautiful Saturday afternoon in February. If you could tell the obvious difference of Justin's bike finally has some pep in its step. Finally got the Dinger Build exhaust, and oh my gosh, am I happy. So if you haven't already, check out the last episode, because it should be posted on Tuesday of me installing it, because damn is this thing sexy and does it sound good. Yeah, I like it a lot. I got a used pipe that I want to put on. Just haven't had time, honestly, but that thing sounds good, and you know, the used pipe sticks out with all these wheelies and stuff. I'll probably end up messing it up, but anyways, I really like it. That thing looks beautiful, especially all the welds and stuff. It just looks awesome. So it sounds amazing. So Dinger, you done good, man. Also, something else you guys might have noticed, we got these pads right here. It's like custom pads. They're from Bar Armor is the name of the company. Super awesome, guys. It looks awesome. You can get customized ones, and Justin has a different kind of shaped one. I got the Pro Taper bars, and just want to preface that they in no way, shape, or form are paying us to talk about them. They just sent them out because they like the videos, and I think they turned out amazing, and I'm looking forward to seeing what else we can customize and make some different ones. And actually, if you leave a comment on this video, we have one Z-Garage Pro Taper Bar Armor pad to give away. So make sure to leave a comment if you want to win one, and we'll pick somebody in the next week or so, and we'll announce that on Instagram. Yeah, but we just think they're awesome. We got them and we were like, oh man, these are awesome. Like they're custom. Obviously he has all kinds of different designs you can have made, but he's also got where you can get custom ones made. I guess you got to message them, but anyways, they're awesome. Just make sure to email them. They are working on a app within their website where you can actually like place images and stuff all by yourself, but that's still in development. So if you are looking to get a custom one made, make sure to email them and they will hook you guys up. But I love this. And then one thing too that you guys might have noticed, I changed up my setup. So I had my handbrake on this side, then my clutch on this. I changed that, and then I just got this like zip tied. So I'm gonna try that out today. I tried Tyler's out, so shout out to Tyler, but he had his like this, and it was a little bit easier to get that handbrake. So if it is better this way today, I'm gonna let you guys know. That way hopefully it helps some of you guys out that's trying to start a wheelie and, you know, figure out what's the best setup. So oh, there he is. Hello. It's perfect. It's not like retarded loud, but it's like, it sounds clean. Dude, it's perfect. I like it. I want to touch, please. I want to touch. I want to touch. Oh yeah, dude. It's like so we'll see what happens. I think my exhaust is giving more power, Kyle. I mean, Dinger did say beat the crap out of this thing, find its weakness. So I guess we'll take her out to Mount Lake. Give her, Kyle, give her. You got like an inch. Woo! That was a nice wheelie. Woo! God dang, why do I keep grabbing the front brake?
Yeah, don't do that. gotta get that exhaust real high. Woo! Woo! Oh shit! Nope. Sliding. That would have been bad.
Hey guys,
We almost went into a lake.
oh really?
Let's check it out. Yeah, that's where we just were.
Yeah, that would have been bad. This is why I need to be careful with my bars.
Oh my god. Oh my. Oh. I found the bar. Yeah. Whew. I found the bar.
Yeah, I found it earlier.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, found. Did you have it strapped in?
Just pick
it
up his
good?
phone, no problem. Nice.
All right, time travel with cycle gear.
Wait, we're time traveling?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm not ready. Oh, God, that wasn't nice, Justin.
Woohoo! Time travel is a wonderful thing. Your kickstand's down, Kyle.
I know, I tried to do it without touching my feet on the ground.
Oh, you're a fucking. Oh my gosh. Whew.
Where's Justin? Oh, yeah, there you go.
I wanted to touch it.
Did you touch it?
Almost. It was. I thought about going closer, but I didn't know if you were going to come down. So we gotta honk at this guy again.
Yeah. I hate my life. Making my way downtown. Walking fast, racing fast, and I'm high about.
And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could.
And now that we traveled from Cycle Gear, we picked up another Grom and 2 big bikes. I think we're gonna go head out to the Crown Coliseum, do a couple wheelies, and then see where it takes us from there, I guess.
Gotta put my knee pads on. These are my nice jeans.
Gosh.
Still recording, Justin?
Yeah. Is your bike on?
Yeah, my bike's on.
You sure?
Yeah, I think so. Doing good though. There you go. I mean, I'm trying. I'm standing up all the way. I mean, I'm bringing it up all the way, or standing up all the way, I mean. I just like had to force myself to stand up and it feels better. Here you go. He really is getting better. It's just taking some time. Needs to use that handbrake. Trying to look at the camera. Damn, that's really far. I did it, Tyler. I finally got it. I like got to balance point and went back and forth a couple times, and I was standing completely up.
Getting there. Getting straighter.
I like, for a second, I was up and I went back and forth over and over. I was like, I finally got it.
Finally getting up.
That's what your mom said. Then again, that's kind of bad for me. Look, I know, but you know, it felt decent, but now since I've rode yours, hadn't rode in short sleeves in a good long while, so I had to take advantage of it.
Leave a little tree farm road, grab some food, because we hungry up in here.
We hungry!
Damn, Kyle took a full gallon.